Hi, Cecil. Hi, Sonia.
Yan yung kabit ni Ramon Laurente. Naka-jackpot. Sa kanya daw pinamana ang kumpanya.
She's nothing compared to Elizabeth, no?
Siguro nga, nag-uulali na si Ramon at wala na sa tamang katinuan.
Don't worry about this. Walang bearing ang mga yan. You are Ramon's legal wife and you are protected by the law.
I just don't want Trina to think na niloko ko si Ramon para pakasalan ako. Hindi naman niya talaga alam kung anong totoo eh. Na minahal talaga ako ni Ramon at... Wait. Ganun naman ba ang tingin niya sa akin, Victor?
Who cares about what we think, Via? We are all here to do business. And as far as we are concerned, ikaw ang CEO ng Pacifica. That is why we are dealing with you and not Trina.
Thank you so much, Victor. I really needed that assurance. Ayoko lang maka-apekto to sa dealings with Pacifica.
Excuse me. Hello, Lydia? Saan ka galing?
Daddy, anong ginagawa mo dito?
Saan ka galing?
Nagpunta ako kay Andrea.
Di ba sinabi ko sa'yo na huwag kang lumabas ngayon?
Daddy, sorry kasi...
Nobody lies to me and gets away with it.